Welcome to your kitchen, the heart of your home. But did you know it's also where most home accidents happen? Let's learn how to keep it safe and sound. Never leave cooking unattended. Keep flammable items like towels and paper away from the stove. And always have a fire extinguisher nearby just in case. Use sharp knives, they're safer than dull ones. Always cut on a stable surface. And store knives out of reach of children. Keep cords away from water. Unplug appliances when not in use. And never use wet hands with electrical devices. Clean up spills right away. Use non-slip mats and keep walkways clear of clutter. Wash your hands before and after handling food. Keep raw meat separate and cook food to the right temperature. A safe kitchen is a happy kitchen. Follow these tips and cook with confidence.